C-5M Super Galaxy, the largest aircraft in the U.S. military. The C-5M Super Galaxy is a strategic transport aircraft and is the largest aircraft in the Air Force inventory. Its primary mission is to transport cargo and personnel for the Department of Defense. The C-5M's demonstrated improvements in performance and efficiency validate the value to the taxpayer of modernizing proven and viable aircraft. The C-5M can carry twice the cargo of other strategic airlift systems and is the only strategic airlifter capable of carrying 100% of certified air transportable cargo. The C-5M is a modernized version of the legacy C-5 designed and manufactured by Lockheed Martin. The Super Galaxy is America's premier global direct delivery weapon system and the only strategic airlifter capable of linking the homeland directly to the warfighter in all theaters of combat without refueling. With unprecedented airlift capabilities, the C-5M opens a new chapter in the rapid global response. In 2 flights operating out of Dover Air Force Base, Delaware, a joint U.S. Air Force and Lockheed Martin crew set 42 world aviation records, demonstrating the C-5M's ability to redefine global airlift. In deployed airlift operations, the C-5M is demonstrating a new era of highly capable, reliable, and affordable airlift. With departure reliability rates greater than 90% and payload increases of 20% over legacy C-5s, the Super Galaxy is delivering more to the warfighter on every mission. With a substantial improvement in unrefueled range, the C-5M is overflying traditional en route fuel stops, enabling a reduction in fuel consumption by as much as 20%. Enhanced capability. The C-5M incorporates more than 70 aircraft improvements, including new engines that support a 22% increase in thrust, 58% greater climb rate, 10-fold increase in engine reliability, and Stage 4 noise and emission compliance. The state-of-the-art glass cockpit incorporates multifunctional display units, multi-mode communications, navigation radios, a flight management system, and a digital autopilot that work together to provide the crew with greater situational awareness. Additions to the cargo compartment improve the ability to perform tasks. LED and fluorescent lights illuminate the area so that work can occur day or night. In addition, flip tracks enable easy loading of an array of cargo. The C-5M carries 100% of Department of Defense air-certified cargo. The modernization supports a reduction in maintenance costs and fuel consumption that affords greater reliability and performance. Modernization program. Lockheed Martin has finished a 17-year-long project to upgrade the Air Force's C-5M Super Galaxy at the company's facility in Marietta, Georgia. Since 2001, Lockheed Martin's been carrying out the mammoth task of upgrading 52 C-5Ms. The last of the upgraded Super Galaxy aircraft took off from the Marietta facility on August 2nd, marking the end of the project. The Air Force's Reliability Enhancement and Re-engining program extends the C-5M's service lifespan into the 2040s. With the capability inherent in the C-5M, the Super Galaxy is more efficient and more reliable and better able to do its job of truly global strategic airlift, says Patricia Pagan, Lockheed Martin Air Mobility and Maritime Mission Strategic Airlift Director. I'm very proud of the contractor government team that carried out the C-5 fleet modernization effort. We've worked very hard to ensure the C-5Ms are the absolute best strategic airlifters possible for our armed forces. According to a Lockheed Martin press release, RERP incorporates more than 70 improvements that improve reliability, efficiency, maintainability, and availability. RERP included changes or modifications to the airframe structure, environmental and pneumatic systems, hydraulic systems, electrical system, fuel system, landing gear, and flight controls. The Reliability Enhancement and Re-engining program give the C-5 brand new General Electric CF6 engines that are proven workhorses in commercial aircraft such as the Boeing 767 and 747. New engine pylons, auxiliary power units, power and hydraulic upgrades are part of this program as well. The new engines provide a 22% increase in thrust over the previous engines, giving the C-5 a 30% shorter takeoff distance, a 58% faster climb rate, while carrying 380 tons up to 520 miles per hour. an important consideration in tactical environments. The engines are also 10 times more reliable and far more efficient and quiet than the previous engines, achieving Stage 4 compliance. The engines also allow the C-5 to cruise 38% higher than the unmodified aircraft and carry 120,000 pounds of cargo over 5,250 miles, giving access to the Middle East without having to stop and refuel en route. Additionally, there are over 70 other enhancements to major components and systems on board the aircraft that improve reliability and ease maintenance. The C-5M is very big and heavy, so it endures considerable strain over time compared to smaller aircraft, said Senior Airman Hunter Dunn, 730th Air Mobility Squadron Crew Chief. During times of high demand for servicing aircraft, we need airmen that are familiar with C-5M maintenance to prevent repair delays. Nothing about the aircraft was spared scrutiny. Trainers ran day and night instructionals on everything from engines and electrical systems to refueling and changing tires. We don't have the C-5M here, but we execute a massive transient aircraft mission, said Staff Sergeant Lance Neighbors, 730th AMS Aircraft Hydraulic Systems craftsman. We make the most of events like this to certify our people on non-local aircraft to ensure we can support the diversity of the Air Force fleet. There are 28 wheels on the C-5 undercarriage to support not only its more than 380-ton weight, but also the up to 135 tons of cargo that the aircraft can carry. The landing gears are truly massive, and they need to be with a gross takeoff weight of 840,000 pounds. This beast is a workhorse, said Master Sergeant Robert Mott, 730th AMS Production Superintendent. When it's fully loaded and doing its mission, it's a sight to behold. When the C-5M or any other aircraft we've worked on takes off down the runway, we know all the work our airmen put into making that happen, and it provides a great sense of accomplishment knowing we're crucial in making the mission happen. The C-5M has been a part of the Air Force's fleet since 1970, and it's the largest strategic airlifting platform in the Air Force. Fully loaded, the Super Galaxy can fly at a gross weight of 800,000 pounds. The C-5M Super Galaxy combines more than 70 improvements and reduced operating cost. It boasts reliability enhancements and efficiency in performance. It has an exterior length of 75.5 meters, around 3 meters longer than an Airbus A380 Super Jumbo aircraft. It has a height of 19.84 meters. The aircraft has a wingspan of 67.89 meters and a wing area of 580 square meters. The C-5M Super Galaxy would not fit in most of the hangars because of its size. In few cases, in order for the aircraft to fit inside, the Air Force will have to make a hole in the sliding doors for the tail to stick out. The aircraft has a huge interior. It has a cargo hold of 36.8 meters in length, 5.8 meters in height, and 4.1 meters in width. The C-5M can transport outsized cargo over intercontinental flights and be able to take off and land on approximately short runways. The nose and the aft doors are both open, letting the ground crew load and offload cargo at the same time from both ends, which resulted to reduced cargo transfer times.